Hey you, yes you. What if I told you the fountain of youth is sitting in your kitchen right now? Stick around because I'm about to show you how to unlock your body's hidden potential with just 5 simple drinks. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine waking up tomorrow feeling like you've hit the reset button on your body. Your skin is glowing, you're bursting with energy, and you feel years younger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, open those eyes because science says you can make it a reality, all thanks to the power of stem cells. Hey, health revolutionaries, welcome back to our channel, The Canvas of Life, and today we're going to transform your health together. Forget complicated diets or expensive treatments. We're talking delicious, easy-to-make drinks that you can whip up in your own kitchen. Ready to become your own fountain of youth? Let's dive in. First, let me ask you this: have you been feeling more tired lately? Noticed your skin doesn't bounce back like it used to? Maybe your memory's not as sharp? You're not alone. As we age, our body's repair system, our stem cells, starts to slow down. But here's the million-dollar question: what if you could recharge these cellular superheroes? Do you want to know how to get back to your old self? Well, grab your blender and clear some space in your fridge, because I'm about to show you 5 incredible drinks that can do just that. 1. Bone broth. Your gut's best friend. Forget grandma's chicken soup. This elixir is packed with collagen and amino acids that your stem cells crave for. Your mission here is to simmer bones from grass-fed animals with veggies for 12 to 24 hours. Enjoy 1 to 2 cups daily and feel the healing from the inside out. Next in line is your circulation booster, which none other than is beetroot juice. Don't let the earthy taste fool you. This vibrant juice is a stem cell superstar, improving blood flow and creating the perfect environment for cellular magic. Juice 2 to 3 beetroots with a bit of lemon or apple. Drink 4 to 8 ounces daily and feel your body come alive. Next in line is your favorite. Green tea, your antioxidant ally. This isn't just any old cup of tea. It's a stem cell superfood. The secret, EGCG, is a compound that helps your stem cells multiply and thrive. Brew yourself 2 to 3 cups of high-quality green tea daily. Pro tip: add a squeeze of lemon to supercharge its powers. Last but not least, your antioxidant shield blueberry and pomegranate smoothie. This isn't just a tasty treat. It's your personal stem cell bodyguard in a glass. Blend 1 cup of blueberries, half a cup of pomegranate arils, 1 cup of almond milk, and a handful of spinach. Enjoy 3 to 4 times a week for a delicious stem cell boost. Finally, our elixir, the turmeric golden milk, your anti-inflammatory nightcap. This golden elixir is like a lullaby for your cells, helping them grow and repair while you sleep. How to heat: 1 cup plain milk with 1 tsp turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and honey if desired. Simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink before bed for sweet dreams and sweeter stem cells. There you have it, health warriors. Your 5-drink arsenal for kickstarting your body's natural repair system. Now, I want to hear from you. Which drink are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below. Remember, consistency is key. Make these drinks part of your daily routine and watch as you transform into a more energized, radiant version of yourself. But don't stop here. Pair these drinks with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and good sleep. Your future self will be doing a happy dance. If this video got you fired up about unlocking your body's potential, smash that like button and subscribe for more health-boosting secrets. And hey, why keep this knowledge to yourself? Share this video with someone who could use a stem cell boost. Until next time, here's to your health and to drinking your way to a more vibrant you. Now go raid that kitchen and start brewing your fountain of youth.